Unleash the power of Rainbow Vacuum Cleaner, the ultimate cleaning experience. Traditional vacuum cleaners rely on bags or filters to trap dirt and allergens. But with the Rainbow, we've taken cleaning to a whole new level. Instead of relying on bags, we utilize the power of water to capture dust, dirt, and even microscopic particles in a flash. There are several incredible benefits to using a water-based system like the Rainbow. First and foremost, it ensures superior air quality in your home. As the dirt and debris are pulled into the vacuum, they are trapped in the water, leaving the air fresh and clean. Each tool is designed to revolutionize your cleaning routine. Nozzle, a marvel that effortlessly glides over any surface, from carpets to hardwood floors, leaving them spotless and gleaming. Say goodbye to dust bunnies hiding under your furniture with our Rainbow's impressive assortment of attachments. Take a look at this upholstery tool, perfect for gently cleansing your sofas and mattresses. The Rainbow is designed with a self-cleaning feature, ensuring that the water remains clean and clear throughout your cleaning session. Plus, with our easy-to-use water basin, emptying and refilling is a breeze. Maintaining the Rainbow is a piece of cake. After each use, simply empty the water basin and rinse it out.